Stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to tell you could save you hundreds of dollars and spare you years of frustration. You might have been eyeing the shiny new M4 Mac Mini, or maybe you already bought one thinking it was the ultimate upgrade. Well, I have some bad news. That M4 machine is not the revolution Apple promised. It's a temporary stopgap, a placeholder. Apple knew it wasn't the real leap forward. They wanted to fill your wallet while keeping their true powerhouse under wraps. The real game changer, the machine that's about to shake the industry, is the Apple M5 Mac Mini. And trust me, once this beast is revealed, anyone who bought the M4 is going to regret it instantly. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just a speed bump. It's a complete redefinition of what a desktop computer can do. We're not talking about a small incremental update, a minor chip improvement, or a new color option. No, the M5 is being designed around artificial intelligence. Apple is finally putting AI at the core of its desktop computers. While AI has been just a buzzword or a small feature in the past, the M5 aims to make it the brain of your machine. Early supply chain leaks are already dubbing this the AI Mac, and it's about to make the M4 feel obsolete within months. At the heart of this transformation is the M5 chip, built on the advanced next-generation 3-nanometer architecture from TSMC. You might think 3 nanometers is just technical jargon, but here's why it matters. This architecture allows the M5 to deliver immense workstation-class power with almost zero heat output. Imagine a tiny Mac Mini performing like a massive tower PC, without throttling or noisy fans. The efficiency and raw speed of the M5 are in a league of their own. But what truly sets this machine apart is its neural engine, the part of the chip dedicated entirely to AI processing. Leaks suggest the M5's neural engine will be multiple times faster than the M4's, enabling true on-device AI. Picture generating high-resolution images instantly on your desktop, transcribing long meetings in real time, summarizing key points, organizing tasks automatically, and even using AI coding assistants to help you write software, all without ever connecting to the cloud. The M4 can attempt these tasks, but it will struggle. The M5 is built to master AI tasks, making them instantaneous, seamless, and local. If you're not prepared for this AI-driven future, your M4 will feel ancient within a year. But maybe AI isn't your priority. Maybe you're a gamer, a 3D artist, or a video editor. Historically, the Mac Mini has been a joke for gaming and graphics-intensive work. The M5 changes that. Leaks indicate a massive leap in GPU performance. While the CPU cores are optimized for efficiency, the graphics cores are getting a huge boost. For anyone working in Blender, Cinema 4D, or playing AAA games, this is a major upgrade. And it gets better. The professional M5 Pro Mac Mini is rumored to have GPU capabilities rivaling large dedicated desktop graphics cards, including advanced ray tracing and rendering power. For creatives and gamers alike, this could make the Mac Mini a desktop tower killer. Another long-standing issue with the Mac Mini has been storage. For years, Apple has insulted users by shipping professional-grade machines with a mere 256 gigabytes of storage, forcing expensive upgrades. That's finally about to change. Leaks suggest the M5 will start at 512 gigabytes SSD for the base model, potentially with 16 gigabytes or even 24 gigabytes of RAM. This isn't just a spec bump. It's fixing one of the Mac Mini's biggest flaws. If you buy the M4 now, you're locking yourself into half the storage and less memory, while the M5 could give you double for the same price next year. So, when will this revolutionary machine arrive? Apple skipped the M3 for the Mac Mini entirely, signaling they're ready for a major leap. Analysts suggest mass production of the M5 will begin in late 2025, with an official launch expected in early to mid-2026. It's a long wait, yes, but consider the alternative. Buy the M4 now, and its resale value will plummet once the M5 launches. You'll lose hundreds of dollars overnight, because no one will want the older, lower-spec machine when the M5 offers far more for the same price. Patience here isn't just recommended, it's essential. Let's talk pricing. Rumors indicate the base M5 Mac Mini will likely start at $599, just like the M4 today, and the M5 Pro will stay around $1,399. That's a machine with double the storage, a massive next-generation AI engine, and vastly superior graphics for the same money. This is not just an upgrade. It's a future-proof powerhouse built to last 5 to 6 years, not just one. Anyone buying the M4 now is falling for a strategic stopgap designed to clear inventory while Apple prepares the real generational leap. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be one of Apple's most significant desktop launches in years. AI integration at this level will change how we work, create, and interact with computers. Graphics improvements will finally bring the Mac Mini into professional and gaming territory. Storage and memory upgrades address long-standing frustrations, and a compact form factor combined with high performance makes this an incredibly versatile machine. If you wait, you get a device that's not just new. It's a complete reimagining of what the Mac Mini can be. So here's the advice. Don't fall for the M4 hype. Wait for the true generational leap. The M5 is coming, and it promises to redefine productivity, creativity, and computing power in ways we've never seen before. It's the Mac Mini done right, designed to last you years, and it could change your entire workflow for the better. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with friends who are considering an upgrade, and hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when the M5 finally drops. Leave your opinion in the comments. Would you wait for the M5 or risk buying the M4 now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Trust me, patience here could save you a small fortune and get you one of the most powerful, future-proof Macs Apple has ever made.